but it's time to let it go. It'd be easier for me if I turn away to flee. Oh, but there's something holding on in the way of being long gone. Time to wake up, time to wake up. I try so hard to fade away.
Hey guys, so I just wanted to stop really quickly and just tell you about everything here that I used in this video. So everything on my face for the most part is Becca Cosmetics. My eyes, I use Juvia's Place Nubian palette, which I reviewed when it came out like two or 3 years ago. So there's a video of that palette here. In fact, there's probably a tutorial with it too. But everything else, as you saw, was Becca Cosmetics. And they actually sponsored a video on my Instagram page. And then I opted to then kind of give you guys the bigger, fuller video, because I don't know that all of you follow me on Instagram too. So you probably or may not have actually seen this full video. That being said, I did a really soft, for me, kind of everyday look, except of course I put on my lashes, honey. So I liked everything that I used. Opal is one of my favorites. For those of you that don't like the extra glittery, crazy highlighters that are super popular right now, I love them all. I like them soft. I like them extra. Becca Cosmetics was like the originator of, for me, high quality, gorgeous, finely milled highlighters that look beautiful on darker skin tones. This one color here that I'm using, it's called Opal. Their highlighters are $38, so this is not like a drugstore brand. The foundation is one of my favorite winter foundations. It is called Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream. The color Mahogany, as you can see, is a complete match for my skin tone. I'm wearing the Becca Cosmetics Champagne Pop Lip Gloss. I vacillate with the lip glosses. Sometimes I'm into them, sometimes I'm not. I probably would wear this more something that had a little bit more coverage and was a little bit more opaque, but this is really just a sheer gloss. In fact, it looks a lot like, I haven't tried Fenty's lip gloss, but it kind of reminds me of what that would look like if I were ever to try it on me. Same kind of color family. But yeah, so the only product that I didn't love was the concealer. This is new. I went to the launch or the opening of their latest products. So they have a concealer, they have a setting powder, they have a primer for your under eye. I didn't use the primer, though I have it. I don't know. It's just an extra step. You know what I mean? But the concealer is greasy. Like, it just feels really greasy. It even kind of smells greasy. So it would really just not be a match for me. I mean, the color I felt like was a match, but the formula, and I mean, it looks really pretty. I can't say it doesn't look pretty. It felt greasy to me. So I don't know how it's gonna hold up kind of throughout the day. Yeah. I don't know how it's going to hold up throughout the day. Anyway, let me know what you think of this. You know, I'm not big on the extra tutorials, but I just kind of wanted to show you a quick little soft day, kind of just the face, full coverage look that's still kind of doable for the daytime. Like, you don't have to be extra. I'm kind of extra, but you don't have to be extra. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll put links below to where you can purchase everything that I used in this tutorial. From the under eye powders to just kind of everything that I use. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you rate, subscribe, comment, all of that. And I'll see you soon. Bye.